Hey guys, so this is our Unit 3 study guide. So you should be completely done with it and you're checking your answers. All right, is the following set up correctly? If not, explain the error and solve correctly. So they put 6 over 24, which is fine. So we have small rectangle, triangle over large rectangle. Why am I saying rectangle? Small over large for the first one. So the second one must also be set up small over large. So this is not set up right. So if they're going to do 6 over 24 for the first ratio, they must do 9 over x for the second ratio. And it says to solve correctly. So we're going to cross multiply. 6 times x is 6x. 24 times 9 is 216. And then if I divide both sides by 6, I find out that x is equal to 36. And does that make sense? 6 is 4, or 24 is 4 times larger than 6. So 36 is 4 times larger than 9. So this answer makes sense. Number 2, if Jacob took out a $7,000 loan on a 5-year payment and was charged 5% simple interest, what was the total interest? Well, we're going to use our I equals PRT. So our principal is 7,000 times our rate as a decimal is 0.05 and our time is 5 years. So we simply throw that all into our calculator. 0.05 times 5, and I got 1,750. Make sure you turn that percent into a decimal. All righty, I'm going to clear all that and move up. All right, number 3, which is the better buy? So we're going to divide the price by the quantity. 1.59 divided by 15 is about 11 cents. So 106. All right, letter B, $2.79 divided by 12 ounces is about 23 cents, about 23 cents. These may not be very close, so I'll just do 11 cents, 23 cents, $3.19 divided by 30 is, oh, it is going to be close. This would be 10. No, it wouldn't. It would also go up to 11 cents. Oh, look how close these are. So this next number is a 3. So let's go back to the first one. 1.59 divided by 15 is 1.60. 1.60 is a tiny, tiny, tiny bit less than this one. So let's check out the last one. 2.99 divided by 16 is almost 19 cents. So we're comparing these two. So we got to go all the way to the thousandths, the 10,000ths place. So this would round up to 11 cents. This would be 11 cents as well. But 0.1060 is going to be slightly less than 0.1063. So A is the better buy. A is the better buy. Number 4, which equation is represented by the information in the chart? Okay, so let's just do it this way, just because it's sometimes a little easier. So when T is 4, R is 14. When T is 5, R is 17.5. And when T is 7, R is 24.5. So we want to know what is happening to this number to get this number every time. Well, let's just pick one. Let me plug in right here. So if I plug in 7 for T, 7 times 2.5 is 17.5. So that can't be it. Did I say 7? Wait, 2.5 times 7 is 17.5. So that one's out. All right, let's try this one. Is 4 times 2, 14? Is 5 times 2, 17.5? Nope. All right, let's try the next one. We're going to plug in 4 for T. 3.5 times T is 14. That one works for the second option. Where's my pen? There it is. All right, let's try 5. 5 times 3.5 is 17.5. So I think we have the winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And I know real quick that 3 times 4 is not 14. So I could eliminate A as well. So plug in your values, see if what you have makes sense. All right, number 5. The bill at the restaurant for the Martin family came to $44. They want to leave a 20% tip. Alrighty. So they're going to pay this whole the total cost, including the tip. So they're going to pay 100% of their meal, which is $44, plus they want to pay 20% more because they're leaving a 20% tip. So really what they're wanting is 120% of 44. So I'm going to turn this percent to a decimal, move our decimal 2 places to the left. So basically I want to know what is 1.2 times 44. So 44 times 1.2, and my answer is $52.80. And if you did that the other way, that's fine too, as long as you found that the tip, you could have found first just the tip. It would be 8.8. And then you had to add this back to the total of the meal, and you would have got the same answer. All right, moving on, you guys. Number 6, which of these shows a proportional relationship? Proportional relationships are straight and they go through 0, 0. Not straight, doesn't go through 0, 0, doesn't go through 0, 0. C is our answer. It is straight and it goes through 0, 0. Number 7. The graph below shows the number of miles Scott ran over time. What is the constant of proportionality? Well, how much for 1? 1 hour, he ran 10 miles. 2 hours, he ran 20 miles. 3 hours, he ran 30 miles. So the constant proportionality is 10. What does point A represent? It means in 2 hours, Scott, oh, that's messy, ran 20 miles. All right. Number 8, a pair of pants is on sale for 45% off. The original price was $35. What was the sales price? Well, if they took 45% off of the original price, so $35 is 100% of the original price, and we're subtracting away 45%. That means we're going to pay 55% of 35. So I want to know, what is 55% of 35? So my calculator, 35 times 0.55 is $19.25. That is the sale price because they took off 45%. Number 9, Jonathan. Let's see what it says. Jonathan's making a cake. The recipe calls for 3/4 cups of butter and 1/4 cup of sugar. He used 1 cup of butter. How much sugar would he need? All right, using a proportion. All right, so we're going to do what? We're going to do sugar over butter or butter over sugar. It doesn't matter. So I'm just going to do butter over sugar. All right, so 3/4 cups of butter over 1 cup, 1/4 a cup of sugar. So butter over sugar. He used 1 cup of butter. We want to know how much sugar, right? So we're going to cross multiply. 3/4 times x is 3/4 x equals 1/4 times 1 is 1/4. All right. And how do we get rid of times 3/4? Means we're going to divide by 3/4. We're going to divide by 3/4. So you can just plug this right in your calculator, or we're going to take this and move it down here. We're going to keep it, change it, flip it, keep it, change it, flip it. Those 4s disappear. So what is the answer? The answer is you used 1/3 cup of butter. No, sugar. Sugar. Alrighty. That's the answer. 1/3 cup sugar. All right, good job. All right, number 10. Janice wants to buy a ring at the jewelry store. The original cost is $900. Let me get rid of all this stuff actually. All right, the original cost is $900. The store has a they have marked down the price of the ring by 30%. So basically they had 100% of the ring and they're taking away 30%, which means they're going to sell they're going to sell the ring at 70% of 900. Janice, oh, we forgot the C, also has to pay 8% sales tax. What's the total of the ring on sale and with tax? So first thing we're going to do is find 70% of 0.7, 900. So 900 times 0.7. So the sale price of the ring is $630. So that's the sell price. Now we have to find out what is 8% of this. So if 630 is now 100% of what we're going to pay plus 6%, we want to know what is 106% of $630. I'm going to turn 106 into a decimal, 1, 2. I'm going to multiply by 1.06. So 630 times 1.06 is $667.80. That's how much the ring is on sale and with 6%. You guys, it's 8%. I'm so sorry. I don't know why I'm using a 6. It's 8. So this isn't right. It's 8% sales tax. So let's do this again. 630 times 1.08. 630 times 1.08 is 600. The real answer is $680.40. That's the price of the ring on sale and with sales tax. All right. Number 11, Audrey sells homes. She makes 2.5% commission. So we want to know what is 2.5% of 155,000. So 2.5 is 2.5%. Now I'm going to move it the decimal 2 places to the right. 1, 2. So basically I'm going to multiply $155,000 multiplied by 0.025. So how much did Audrey make on the house? 155,000 times 0.025, and she made a whopping $3,875. Okay. Number 12, what is the new area of the rectangle? Well, the old area is 9 times 4, 64. I meant 64, 36. 9 times 4 is 36 inches squared, right? But both sides gets multiplied by 2.5. Both sides get multiplied by 2.5. So both sides 2.5 times bigger. 9 times 2.5 is 22.5. And then 4 times 2.5, 2.5 times 4 is 10. So to find the area, we're going to multiply base times height. So 22.5 times 10 is 225. 225 inches squared. Okie dokie. All right, you guys. Well, that's it. I hope you did well. So you have your test this week. So let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything I can help you with. I hope everyone has a great day. Bye-bye.